Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because we're touring another KB Homes here in Southwest Las Vegas. Before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video and share this video to the people that you might know might be interested in this kind of home. This community is booming and this area is so good because it's near the freeway and also lots of shopping around. So I can't wait for us to tour this together, guys. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Okay, this is the home. As you can see, guys, it's a two-story home and really nice stonework there. This is your two-car garage. Really nice pavement here. Right. Okay, so we're gonna tour this beautiful home here. Two-car garage. The entrance is on the left side. You know, the lot premiums here are very cheap, meaning it's not expensive. It's only like between $2,000 and $11,000. All right, guys. Wow. So upon entering the house, you can see there is this living room area there, which we will visit later on. But if you look at this, there are stairs here going there. But let's take a look on what's happening on this side of the home first. So this is the garage. I cannot open it. Typically closed. And then when you go on this side, there's something here. Okay, so it's a coat closet or linen. And then you have a very convenient half bathroom here. Look, guys, you can definitely upgrade this to a cabinetry if you want. Okay, so that's your half bathroom there. Are you ready, guys? Before we go up, let's visit your main living area here. Let's do that. Oh, wow, this is a very open one. So right immediately you can see your kitchen, right? Before we visit your kitchen, let's take a look first at your living room area. I just noticed this are really nice windows here. They bring so much natural light inside. It's very bright in here. Okay, let's visit your kitchen. Look at this, guys. You have your quartz here, really nice. And then you have your darker cabinetry. Really nice faucet here. Right? You can probably check out, we can check out if you can put like a double oven here if you want. But this is how it looks like from this side of the kitchen, right? I'm seeing the backyard there. But before that, there is your laundry. This is the pantry area. Okay. Really bright in here for some reason. I think it's because of those windows there. Let's check out your dining. This is a very spacious dining. Okay, guys, I'm seeing a really nice wall design. Look at this. Very simple, but it's very elegant. Right? Really nice. So I'm gonna go on this side of the corner, or on this corner of the room. This is how it looks like. Okay, since we're already here, let's take a look at your beautiful backyard. Again, guys, this is $2,000 lot. You can definitely put a very, very small swimming pool here, but definitely you can upgrade up to $11,000 to $16,000, depending upon which lot you want. But there are lots that are bigger than this, and corner lots as well. So those are not too expensive for this community. 11,000 to upgrade, that's really very reasonable price for a lot premium, right? This is a really nice greenery here. I like seeing greens because it's so refreshing, right? Very, very refreshing to see. Okay, let's go back so we can check your second floor. This is how it looks like when you go inside from the backyard. Very open, very bright. Okay, let's check out what's happening on your second floor area. Let's go up. Okay, we are going up. Ooh, I'm seeing a loft area, guys. You know, if you can hear, there are speakers. So if you want, you can also put that so that your music is all over. Okay, so this is a nice loft area. You can hang out here, or also you can have this as your homework or office space, right? Or homework area for your kids. Let's check out what's happening on this one. Ooh, linen closet. I believe we are to enter the owners. Yeah, I believe this is the owners. Looks big. You know, you can put like a really nice wall design there. This will make it more interesting. Wall designs nowadays are really nice. It's not too expensive to put. Okay, so you have view of the mountains there. And this is how it looks like from this corner of the room. Let's check out your bathroom. Ooh, you have double sink. And they use again this quartz, really nice. Oh guys. Okay, so this is a very standard one. You can definitely make this beautiful if you upgrade. And that is your toilet area there. And there's another linen closet here, really large linen closet. Okay, so here we have your walk-in closet. It's not too big, but the good thing is there is a walk-in closet. Okay, this is your bathroom. Okay, let's go out. This is a nice bed there. Let's check out the other bedrooms, the secondary bedrooms, right? So that we can see how beautiful they are. Here we go. This is your first secondary bedroom. Skaters, fan. This is for you, right? Really nice. You know, you can always put wall designs here to make it more interesting. That is your closet area. And then on this side, ooh, I'm seeing a mountain design. Look at this, guys. Very refreshing. And this one, for some reason, has bigger windows than the other one. Look at this. Really nice wall design. Very, very refreshing to see. Yosemite. I haven't been. Redwood, I haven't been. I'm missing a lot of places, guys. I gotta go and visit those. Right? Love the mountains. Okay, let's check out the other areas of the second floor. There is, I think this is okay. So this is your laundry area. Really nice to have it on the second floor so that you don't have to go down if you ever have to do your laundry. Very efficient. And this is the full bathroom shared by the two bedrooms there. I wonder if you could put a chair here, right? Really large counter here. And this is your shower area. Okay, pretty standard, but you can definitely make that shower area a little more interesting if you want. Okay, so this is again your main area. Thank you so much guys for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I would appreciate if you will write your comments down below. What do you think of this home? And also don't forget to like this video and share this video to the people you might know might be interested in this kind of home. And also don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there for you to enjoy. And also I wish you an amazing day today.